Hello, this is Keith Graham from Codasip. I'd like to introduce you to Assignment 10, Checkpoint 2. How many clock cycles after JAL prediction? So I'm going to show you two examples in this checkpoint video. One, I've incorrectly implemented my jump prediction circuitry. And then two, what it should look like if I've implemented it correctly. So let's go to Codasip Studio. I'm in the debugger, and once again, I'm going to just let you know I've made an error in my branch prediction of my JAL circuitry. So let's see what it might look like if I step through using our test program, prediction_test. So I'm in the debugger with my CA model, and I'm going to be stepping through it. You can see that I'm at the very first instruction on line 26, and I'm just going to go all the way down to the halt. Now, a couple things you might notice as I went down, I stepped through. One, it appeared that I never jumped to the label first test like the instruction describes on line 27. Now, I can see that several different ways. One, if I look at the number of clock cycles is 11 compared to the no prediction algorithm, which is 8, or the predicted should be 6. So it looks like I did something wrong. I had more than if I actually had jumped normally. Now, the other thing is if I don't jump, I'm going to be executing these add immediates on the X5 register. And so the expected result should be 0. And you can see over here in my register view that it is 4. Now, if I do one more clock cycle, I believe it will become 5. This one hasn't been written into the register file, so let's do that. And it is 5. So this proves to me two things. One is that I did not jump around the add-i's because the X5 register is not 0. So I need to take a look at that. And also the number of clock cycles is more than what I would have had if I normally jumped, which also indicates that I did not jump, did a predicted jump or a regular jump. Now, I want to show you how this test looks like when you actually have properly implemented your JAL predicted jump circuitry. So let me bring that up for you. I have fixed the issue that I had in my JAL prediction circuitry. So let's see what it should look like if you've properly implemented your circuitry for checkpoint 2. Now, I'm back in the debugger. I'm at the very first line of my assembly routine, and I'm going to single step it. And you can see that I'm now on the jump instruction, and I've gone down. Now, the jump instruction is now in the decode stage at this point, and this is the stage that I'm going to be jumping now, not at the memory stage. So I should jump to ahead my label first test immediately. And you can see that. And once again, there is an issue with the debugger presenting when you do a jump. It will always look like it's one farther ahead of it. But you can see as I step through my all the way to the halt, that at the halt I should have 6 cycles. It matches what my cycle count is here. My X5 register is 0. Should be 0, and it is 0, and it's matching the results. So I know that I have implemented this correctly. Now I can move towards implementing the circuitry for the branch prediction. Good luck.